Let me show you how to add eSIM on any Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So for this process you'll need a QR code with your eSIM, or also activation code and activation address that you can get from your provider. So first let's go in the settings and then in the connections, SIM manager. And also for this process you need either Wi-Fi connection or inserted another physical SIM card which has got mobile data. So your best bet is simply connect to Wi-Fi network. And then once done, click add eSIM here. And then let's click scan QR code. So either we can point our camera basically at this code, or also you can take a screenshot of the code if you have it on your device. So you see, if you click here, you can actually take the screenshot from your internal storage here, or also if you click here, you can enter the activation code as well. But what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to point my camera at this QR code, and you see it's instantly reads it and it found it, and let's click add. This might sometimes take up to half a minute. So almost done. Okay, and also if you have dual SIM cards, you can label your SIM cards here if you want to. And also it will ask which SIM card to use for calls, or ask always. I prefer this one, for example. Also the preferred SIM card for SMS and mobile data as well. So you see, and you have your SIM card over here. After some time also your phone number should appear here. So you can see you can edit the SIM card here, and also you can change the preferred SIM cards here at any time as well. If you go back in the mobile networks, so you see you can also enable the roaming services, and also the for example 5G or 4G as well, and even change the access point names here as well. Okay, good luck.